Rock and roll. Do you want to hit this bunker that's up here, Gunner? The bunker that's right here, that little... Oh, okay, look, there's guys there. Careful, he's right there, Gunner. Right here. You see those two logs that are down?
The guy that just shot us backed off.
I wonder if we can get to that wooden one there. Whoa! Holy fuck!
Like we both ate each other away in that.
Holy fuck! Oh, I see him. I get him? I heard him yell medic. I might try to make it to that wood bunker.
Alright, go ahead.
Ready? Holy fuck. It's a dead enemy this way by the down trees. There's movement up by the bricks. There's two guys bunkered into the bricks. The down bricks that are up here. I can't see anything at the tent.
I see.
Yeah. Nice. Look out! Behind us, look out. Whew. Eyes on him. Okay.
Nice job.
That was close. Oh, there might be another one there. Oh, there is. He's right here. I've got a shot on him. I hit his arm.
Where is it? Nice job.
Thanks.
Sorry, I was trying to keep pistol in case somebody got
No, it's all good.
the wrong idea. Just go for this green.
Yeah.
Alright, you go first. I'll come next. Lots of green tent left too.
Oh, we got one up here.
Where is it?
He's dead. You dead?
Guy moved in from the left.
Okay. Yeah.
He ran out.
I hit him? Yep.
Moving left to right.
We're getting flanked. We're getting flanked. I'm gonna take this.
Yeah.
Wonder where Skull is. Oh, hit!